Managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up the comforting flavors of Indian food. Today, I'm sharing 15 diabetes friendly Indian recipes that are nourishing, satisfying, and most importantly, truly delicious. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Likita's Foodie Studio. These recipes are carefully designed to support blood sugar balance without compromising on taste. Using traditional spices, wholesome ingredients, and smart cooking methods, you can enjoy food that loves you back. The secret lies in smart choice. Low glycemic whole grains, protein-rich dals and legumes, fiber-packed vegetables forms the base of every recipe. Indian spices do more than add flavors. Turmeric, methi, cumin, cinnamon naturally support healthy blood sugar levels. Food becomes both comforting and functional. How we cook is just as important as what we cook. Steaming, roasting, and a light sautéing help preserve nutrients while keeping the meals light. Minimal oil, no deep frying, and mindful portion size are something that provides sustained energy without causing blood sugar spike, giving you freedom to enjoy every bite guilt-free. Breakfast sets the tone for your entire day. These morning meals combine protein, fiber, and complex carbs to give steady energy without blood sugar spike. Let's look at some of the delicious breakfast options, starting with our Moong dal Cheela, which is a high protein and has a low glycemic index. It keeps you full for hours and releases energy slowly. Serve it with mint chutney for a refreshing, satisfying start. Oats are a fiber powerhouse. Combined with vegetables, this oats vegetable upma supports digestion and keeps you full longer. Lightly toast the oats brings out a beautiful nutty flavor. Besan Cheela with spinach is yet another great breakfast option. It is naturally low in carbs and rich in protein. Spinach adds iron and antioxidant, making this Cheela both nourishing and filling. Pair it with low-fat yogurt for added probiotics. Wholesome lunch and dinner meals forms the heart of diabetes-friendly Indian cooking, balanced, comforting, and deeply satisfying without blood sugar spike. Let's look at some of the great lunch options, starting with Bajra Roti with Lauki Sabzi. Bajra is an ancient grain rich in complex carbohydrates. Paired with Lauki Sabzi, it provides steady energy and keeps you satisfied for longer time. Methi Thepla is one another great option where methi leaves are known for their blood sugar regulating properties. These soft, flavorful theplas use minimal oil and are perfect for lunch even during traveling. Another delicious option is Tofu Bhurji. Tofu Bhurji is a wonderful low-carb alternative to Paneer Bhurji, where tofu is high in protein, light on digestion, and versatile enough for any meal. Yet more delicious main course options are Palak dal, vegetable sambar with brown rice, and Lauki Chana dal curry. Palak dal combines moong dal and spinach into a comforting iron-rich dish, gentle on digestion and yet filling and nourishing. Vegetable sambar is mixed with vegetables and dal, which is pure South Indian comfort food at its best. The fiber helps reduce post-meal sugar spike, making it ideal for lunch or your dinner as well. Chana dal has a low glycemic index and keeps you full for longer hours. Combined with Lauki, this curry is light, balanced and deeply satisfying. Smart snacking is essential for stable blood sugar levels. These snacks provide crunch, protein, and satisfaction without guilt. Sprouted Moong salad is fresh, crunchy, and packed with nutrients, where sprouting increases nutrient absorption while keeping the glycemic load at a lower level. Cabbage and carrot stir fry is yet another quick and colorful option for side dish or your evening snack, where it is fiber rich. A touch of coconut oil adds flavor without heaviness. Roasted chickpeas make the perfect grab and go snack option. Boiled chickpeas roasted with aromatic spices deliver the satisfying, crunchy, protein rich, and easy to prepare option in batches. Steamed Methi Muthia keeps things light while preserving the nutrients, and hence it is one of the great snacks or side flavor options for diabetic people. It's perfect with evening tea and completely guilt free. This one is my favorite. The modern twist on traditional khichdi swaps rice for protein-rich quinoa. Combined with moong dal and mixed vegetables, it creates a complete gluten-free meal that's incredibly filling yet gentle on sugar levels. It is gentle, filling, and ideal for busy evenings. Quinoa provides all the 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source, and moong dal adds additional protein and fiber. Season it with cumin, turmeric, and a touch of ghee for authentic Indian flavor. Dahi Bhindi is naturally low in carbs and rich in soluble fiber. Combined with yogurt, this dish supports gut health and blood sugar balance. The yogurt adds beneficial probiotics for gut, and the calcium content supports bone strength. Serve it as a side or enjoy it as a light main course with a small portion of brown rice. Each recipe in this list has been chosen for its key benefits, from high protein to steady energy release. You can mix and match these options as per your convenience and enjoy the delicious aroma and flavor of the food. Some of the pro tips or portion control matters. Even healthy food needs moderation. Fill half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with protein-rich legumes or tofu, and a quarter with whole grains. This simple visual guide helps maintain balanced blood sugar levels. Plan your meals in advance. Prepare the ingredients to make cooking easier during busy weekdays. Soak dals overnight, chop the vegetables, and measure the spices. Having healthy options ready means you are less likely to reach for processed alternatives when hunger strikes. Always stay hydrated. Water aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses daily. Herbal teas like cinnamon or fenugreek teas are yet another great additional options with incredible benefits. Avoid sugary drinks and limit fruit juice, opting instead for whole fruits with their natural fiber intact. Monitor your response. Everyone's body responds differently to food. Keep a food diary noting how different meals affect your blood sugar levels. This personalized data helps you identify which recipe works best for your unique needs and your preferences. Well, with these 15 diabetes friendly Indian recipes, you don't have to choose between health and taste. Start with one recipe, build it slowly. Remember, managing diabetes is a journey, not the destination. Let me know in the comments which recipe you are most excited to try first. And let us know if you would like detailed step-by-step instructions for any particular dish. Your feedback helps us create content that truly serves your needs. Here is to delicious, healthy eating, one mindful bite at a time. I'm Likita. I'm signing off today, and I will meet you all with one more exciting content in my next video.